Good afternoon and welcome to the news update. The Federal High Court has fixed the November 20th for the judgment in the trial case of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Dr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yes, I know you attended the proceedings today.
Yes, I did.
For Nigerians to know.
Yeah.
Just a summary of what happened.
Well, what happened in court today, for me, continues to be travesty of justice.
Dr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu erupts in anger over court judgment, which sets in November 20th.
You can't convict me. Are you saying? It's not possible. I'm Nnamdi Kanu. Who's going to try it? Nobody can. They've not killed them there to the person.
Dr. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu could be heard in court telling the judge, "Show me the written law."
The Constitution says you cannot try anybody unless the law is written. Show me the written law. Show me the written law. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try rubbish. Don't try rubbish. Useless people. You don't know law. You don't know law. Your own constitution you don't respect. You bring out judgment you don't respect. That's why we in the court. Why are we in the court of law, I ask?